Hey guys, this week we are doing salt dough ornaments. 3 ingredients will keep your toddler entertained for hours.
The beauty is everything should be in your pantry. 1 cup of flour, a half a cup of salt, a half a cup of water, and line your baking sheet with some parchment paper. Then all you do is mix them together. So easy, a toddler can do it.
All right, you do it, you do it. I think we might have to use our hands to kind of.
That will almost look like bagel.
All right, let's see. You're doing great. Okay.
Yeah, you are.
We're both in our pajamas, aren't we? But I put this coat on to kind of look fancy. This faux fur, what do you think? I did, yeah, pajamas. And you're in your pajamas. You look great. So I particularly love this recipe just because you have 3 projects all rolled into one. We are still only at the mixing phase of this, aren't we, baby? So they mix, they build their ornament, whatever they want to make, and then
Mommy, that thing's for Johnny.
it looks great. And then after it's baked, then they can even paint it if you've got that much of an attention span to work with. So 3 projects in one, 3 ingredients. So now we're kind of getting the consistency. I wonder if they can see that. But it's becoming dough. We might not even make it past the dough phase. We might, he might just be happy playing with it like Play-Doh.
That does look like it.
Yeah. That might just be enough today, but I'm going to continue on and make the ornament because I want the ornament. Yeah. Okay, ready? Oh, geez. Oh. Okay, ready? Boop. Hey. Was looking for the salt dough and found it. Along with the washcloths, he was helping me fold.
The history completely shocked me. I thought that salt dough was a creation of the 80s. However, it came out of Egyptian times. They used to mix the salt, the dough, and clay and create bowls back in the day. It wasn't until the Europeans went ahead and made it fabulous, of course, specifically the Germans, that turned it into the Christmas ornament decoration that we have today.
Now we paint. So I'm going with white to kind of make it look a little French.
Add ribbon, pretty black velvet really ups the game, and look at how special that turned out. That's treasure.
Oh, where does a necklace? Mark it with the B. Put it in the oven for baby and me.
No, Mommy and me.
Oh, better yet. Thank you. Can I kiss? Oh, he allowed it. Thank you.